Definition of percentages. So far, we have expressed non-whole amounts in two ways, as fractions and as decimals. Percentages, on the other hand, represent a third method of expressing amounts. The term percent has a Latin origin. It is translated as out of 100. Therefore, a percentage represents a certain amount out of 100. For example, if one says, "I got 78% in the exam," the listeners realize that the speaker has got 78 correct out of 100 points available in an exam. This means that 78% is equivalent to 78 out of 100 or 78 100ths, or 0.78. Decimal fractions can be written as a percentage only after having expressed them as fractions with denominator of 100. This is the same for decimals as well. A decimal is written as a percentage only after having expressed it at 2 decimal places, up to hundredths. The only calculation required is multiplying the numerator of the decimal fraction or the decimal itself by 100, i.e. we have the following shown on screen, where A represents the tens of AB while B represents the units. Example: express the following amounts as percentages. A, 0.9. B, 1.38. C, 34 100ths. D, 3/4. Solution. A. We have to express the number 0.9 as a fraction with denominator 100. Thus, using the known methods of decimal fraction conversion, we have the following shown on screen. B. Again, we use the same procedure as in A, i.e. we have the following shown on screen. C. Now, the fraction is ready for conversion into a percentage as it has the denominator 100 already. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. D. The fraction 3/4 needs to be converted into fraction with denominator 100 first. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 5.1.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.1.2, writing a number as a percentage of another number. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.